Hey, the weather's been beautiful, hasn't it?
It's been awesome.
I can't even believe it.
I mean, it's ridiculous. It's kind of getting out of control here. I can't believe it. What an October stretch here. Here's the details, by the way, on the Orion meteor shower. No moonlight, scattered meteors next several days, peaking this weekend about 20 to 30 per hour. So enjoy it. Ideal conditions with the clear skies across New England as well. Meantime, this morning, a little bit of fog. It's patchy, but it's locally dense. Plymouth, Hyannis, the Vineyard, New Bedford right now, quarter of a mile visibility, so just something to be aware of as you step out the door. 52 degrees in Boston currently. We've got 40s and 30s on the map. Again, not quite as cool as the past few mornings. 38 in Springfield, North Adams, 36 in Keene, but lower 40s here from Manchester back down to Worcester at 49 degrees. Other than that, skies are clear, and we are in for another bright sunny day today. Looks beautiful. High pressure in control, but you notice this little band of clouds back to the west? That's actually a cold front, a front that's going to cross the region tonight and cool us off. I put air quotes. I mean, we're 75 today, cooling us off to 70 tomorrow. Just beautiful to end the week. What you will notice, although there won't be any moisture with it, any rain or anything like that as the front comes through, behind it, the wind shifts around out of the northwest. So today it's a breezy southwest wind. Tomorrow it kicks around from the other direction. New area of high pressure builds in for Friday, for Saturday, for Sunday, keeping any rain at bay, keeping moisture at bay. It looks sunny right on through the upcoming weekend. There may be a few high, thin clouds that mix in by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. Highs today, just like yesterday, even a degree or two above where we were. 73 in Boston, 75 in Norwood for a high today, 74 in Pittsburgh. Beautiful. Low humidity, wind gusts occasionally over 20 miles per hour. Tonight, a few passing clouds, 54 in Boston. Upper 40s in the cooler suburbs. Comfortable night for sleeping. Highs tomorrow, a little cooler than today. Most of us will top out in the upper 60s to around 70. Still really pleasant. The wind from the northwest about 8 to 16 miles per hour. The humidity's in check, and these temperatures are still about 5 to 10 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. So an awesome stretch for the head of the Charles this weekend here. The next several days look dry, and we warm back up into the mid-70s for the upcoming weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Even warmer on Monday. Tuesday, some clouds will increase. There may be a late day shower, and then Wednesday it looks like some areas of rain move in that may stick with us for part of Thursday as well.